My name is Don Glaser, and I'm a cataract surgeon at Clemson Eye. What brought me to South Carolina was a perfect combination of weather, great people, and sunshine. I've been married to my wife since 2001. We have 2 adopted children who love to swim and are great at it. Always been interested in hands-on things, done a lot of woodwork and artwork when I was a kid, and seemed a natural fit for both hands-on and a visual approach. And I followed a ophthalmologist in college for just one day, but really loved that unique, casual feel and the impact we have on people's day-to-day lives. I enjoy teaching, help people understand sometimes a complex condition like glaucoma, try to make that simple and understandable. So I'm meticulous in surgery, but actually type B and relaxed in day-to-day life. Passionate, I collect headphones, I collect fossils, I collect glasses, and really enjoy pursuing things to the limit till something else catches my interest. A big win for my day is hearing a patient coming back from cataract surgery and commenting how it's changed their world. I mean, we literally hear from people that feel like they've never seen better, but I really love hearing that feedback of how big of an impact it was on people's day-to-day lives.